Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about JavaScript object. So let's create a new file here, object in js.js. All right, and I want to access the file JS file here. So I will say, JavaScript. No, not really. Object, right? Object in js.js. And here object. Okay, so to declare an object you have to say const and then let's say any object. So I will say a car, let's say, and I want to say that car and then curly braces, and here I'll say car name, car underscore name, and I have to say like this. So the car name will be, let's say, any car name. So I'll say, and then I can say owner. So I can say owner like this, Musk, or I can say Elon, let's say. Now let's say this one will be car1, and I want to declare one more constant, one more object, that is car2 is equal to car name. I'll say, let's say Toyota, and owner, let's say, I don't know, the owner. So the owner of Toyota. Okay, let's go here and I will say Toyota owner. Okay, Kichiro. Okay, Kichiro. Okay, Kichiro. And one more thing, I have to give her semicolon also. So keep it in mind. And now let's say I want to access it. Okay, so I will remove it, and I want to show it in console. So I will say console.log. Here I'm going to print it. So I will say car1 dot car name. If I say like this, here you can see Tesla, so I can actually access it, right? And I can say car1 dot owner. Here you can see Elon. So that's it. Now let's say I want to do it once again and copy it, and now let's go for car2. So I will say car2, and this one is also car2. Here you can see Toyota and Kichiro. All right, so this is how actually you can create object. And we have another way to create an object, and that is, let's say I want to say here const car3. So I'll say new object. All right, and this is the another way to create new object. You can say car3 dot car name, right? Okay, car underscore name is equal to, okay, so I can say Tesla 2, and here let's say car3 dot owner, let's say Elon 2. Okay, so if I want to say here console.log, I can actually access them like car3 dot car name, comma car3 dot owner. All right, yeah, so these are two ways actually you can define or declare object in JavaScript. Okay, and you can actually access them like this way. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.